Homemade chocolate pudding really is the best. Stay tuned to find out how to make some for yourself. To a medium saucepan, do not turn on the stove yet, add 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 cups of milk. I used whole milk and I turned my stove on to medium-low. Stir, stir, stir until you have everything mixed evenly and it looks liquidy and all the powder clumps are gone. Once you have a liquid, you can increase your heat to medium. Do not go above medium. And then stir, stir, stir until it thickens up really good and it's almost like a ready-to-eat pudding consistency. Once your mixture has thickened up, and if you put the back of a spoon in it, it coats it nicely. You can't see any of the metal showing through. Then you are ready for the next step. Let your pudding boil for 60 seconds, and then you are ready to put 2 tablespoons of butter into your mixture. I also added a chopped up 4-ounce bar of 60% dark chocolate and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Take your saucepan off the heat and then stir it so the butter and the chocolate are all melty. It should look nice and creamy now. Then you are going to want to put it into a heat-safe bowl, glass works, and let it sit there for 15 minutes at least. Give it a good stir a couple of times in those 15 minutes, and then you can set your plastic wrap over top of your chocolate pudding and make sure you press down on it so it's actually touching the chocolate pudding. Otherwise, you could possibly get a film on top. That's just not very pleasant. Chill in the refrigerator for around 5 hours. Yum, yum. Homemade really is the best.